Inviting a professional to clean your house might change the space so much that you will not even recognize it. Although not everyone can afford it, professional cleaning is great for keeping your home clean, tidy, and fresh. Moreover, the way our dwellings look influences our mood directly. In a neat apartment or house, your mind and soul will also remain open and orderly. Living among dust and piles of laundry might be really depressing. But what should you do if the very process of cleaning makes you go mad? There are many easy and handy tips for making cleaning much more pleasant and efficient. Follow these tips used by professional cleaners and enjoy a clean and pleasant-smelling environment. Start with creating a nice atmosphere before the great cleaning. Depending on your mood, you can turn on a relaxing or upbeat playlist to lift your spirits before diving into the battle with mops and brushes. The most important tip is cleaning from the top to the bottom. Imagine mopping the floor and cleaning your carpets with a vacuum only to swipe dust and other little rubbish right down on them. Always start with cleaning the highest shelves, lamps, and curtain rods. Gradually move down, as the dust falls from the higher places. Finally, you will be able to clean the floor and collect everything that fell from above. To properly and quickly remove dust from a sofa and chairs, use a special nozzle for a vacuum cleaner. Next, refresh the couch by washing its slipcover. Still don't have a washable slipcover? It is your best friend when it comes to cleaning your furniture. Couches with washable slipcovers are fully protected from various stains, pet's hair, and other types of dirt while being pleasant to the eye and stylish in design. Today, you can purchase various washable slipcovers for all kinds of upholstered pieces, including a washable slipcover for a sectional. How to wash a slipcover. Get all the zippers closed, put it into a washing machine, and turn on a gentle cycle. Then air dry or use your dryer's no heat mode. Always mop your floor starting from a corner. Move from the farthest corner of a room back to the entrance while cleaning the floor. This way, you will not have to step over the piles of dust and walk over the freshly cleaned spots with your dirty slippers. Try to create a habit of cleaning along the way. If you see a dirty spot or a dusty shelf, clean them right away. This applies even to sofas with washable slipcovers. As a result, you will not have to face a whole messy house with hours of cleaning to do. All you will need is quick wet cleaning once in a while to collect some dust and freshen up your home. Be considerate about cleaning products you are using. There are numerous cleaners marketed as suitable for all surfaces. However, this is not true. You should definitely use special cleaners for glass, ceramic and wooden surfaces, as well as a mild laundry detergent for washable slipcover fabrics. A random product can damage your belongings and leave streaks or even scratches. Use lemon peels to refresh your garbage disposal or other dirty and smelly surfaces. Prepare a mix of vodka and water to fight mildew, while white vinegar will help remove lime scale from a shower head and other bathroom faucets. And if you don't want to actually wash the whole washable sofa slipcover, you can apply a paste made from water and washing soda onto a stain to get rid of it quickly. Sadly, upholstered furniture is often more difficult to clean than other objects in the household. So, using washable sofa slipcovers and other furniture protectors that can be easily removed and cleaned is a huge relief.